Welcome to Asim Code. Keep coding and keep improving. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make something great. In C++, user input refers to the process where a program receives data or information from the person using the program, the user. For example, when you run a program that asks you for your name or age, and you type in a response, that's user input. Why is user input important? User input is essential because it allows programs to interact with users in a dynamic way. Without user input, a program can only follow a fixed set of instructions. With user input, it can change its behavior based on what the user provides. How to take user input in C++. In C++, the most common way to handle user input is by using the CIN object, which stands for character input. It's part of the standard input-output library and allows you to read data that a user types in. This example is a C++ program that prompts the user to enter their name, age, and height, and then displays a personalized message with the information provided. The program takes basic user information and displays it in a clear and friendly format. It could be used as part of a larger system, like a health or fitness app, where such personal data might be used for further calculations or recommendations. This line includes the iStream library, which is essential for input-output operations in C++. This line includes the string library to handle strings, text. The string data type allows us to store and manipulate text. The std namespace contains common standard features of C++ such as input-output, strings, etc. The main function is the starting point of any C++ program. It tells the program where to begin executing. Variable declarations. Name is a string variable. It's used to store the user's name, a sequence of characters. Age is an integer variable, used to store the user's age as a whole number. Height is a double variable, used to store the user's height, allowing for decimal numbers, like 1.75 meters. Taking user input. The cout function prints a message to the screen. Here, it asks the user to input their name. getLine reads an entire line of input from the user, including spaces, and stores it in the name variable. This is important for names with spaces, like John Doe. This prints a message asking for the user's age. CIN takes input from the user. It expects an integer value, which it stores in the age variable. The user is prompted to enter an integer, e.g., 25. This message asks for the user's height in meters, allowing decimal values. CIN again takes input, but this time expects a decimal number, float, or double. The input is stored in the height variable. Outputting the results. This prints a greeting, followed by the name input by the user. Name is inserted into the output stream with endl adds a new line at the end. This statement prints a message with the user's age and height, which were stored in age and height variables. Real-world scenario. This program can be useful in an application that gathers basic user information, like a health app that tracks height and age. The program could be extended to calculate something meaningful with the age and height data, like BMI body mass index. The return 0 statement signifies that the program has executed successfully. It ends the main function and returns control to the operating system. Now run our code. That's all